doing well. He was very cheerful to see me, and
Of course.
ayun, as usual, he sends his warm regards to everyone, to the supporters for, of course, the unwavering love and support, and for the family. Sends his love, his pure love to everyone.
Kit, meron ba siyang kanang did you hear about the situation that he was rushed to the hospital?
Yes, but he is okay. It's just the, his routine checkups.
Okay, I see. Thank you for clarification.
As you all know, he is old and not exactly in the best shape, but
shout out us Reaction Vlog YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe. Mabuhay kayo.
There's feelings kasi ganun talaga yun. Iba-iba tayo. We can never be the same.
Well, mamaya po ulitin ko po dito sa Dahig, sa ICC at 7 p.m. Magkakaroon po tayo ng prayer rally. Ma'am, what is your name po?
Donna po.
Donna, nasan po kayo? Kasi today is the 150th day ng pagkidnap kay Tatay Digong. Nasan kayo nung kinidnap si Tatay Digong? Saan kayo yung bahay?
Sa bahay, sa Dailista.
Dailista dito sa Netherlands. At ano po naramdaman nyo yung nakikita?
Nakakaano. Like his army from Davao City.
Nag-message lang yung kaibigan ko.
Kasi yun ako na I have a baby. So,
syempre hindi ako nakapasa ng cellphone.
Kailan kayo nakarating?
Wala. Hindi ako nakapasa. Sa TV lang nanonood ng mga live. Sa mga friends ko din na nandito. Tapos yun ang mga nakita ko. Kasi may mga ano.
Inasahan nyo ba na aabot na yung conflict sa Tatay Digong?
13.
Inasahan nyo na aabot na ganitong katagal dito si Tatay Digong sa
Tapos isang araw pa ulit na duty.
Yun nga, di ba, sabi kasi nila pag nandito na daw yun.
Nakbook agad ako,
talaga ang daming stages. I expected parang ganun, pero I just don't, parang hindi ko matanggap na
kasi yung una,
I mean, parang alam mo na parang may ganito talagang stages na siya yung sa 23, pero hindi mo talaga matanggap.
Hi ma'am, you're so beautiful daw, sabi nila. Natakot naman yung comment na yan. Ay, parang gusto mo mag-thank you ba? Tapos pag thank you ka, sabi naman, wala naman ang buwag. Na-corner ka din, no? Apat na nga lang yung English ko, naubos pa.
mga galing kanina dun, kaninang umaga. Yan, ito.
Bakit nag-live ka kanina umaga?
Naka-live ako.
Saan ka ba?
Silang putol-putol lang. Ito magkaibang grupo yan, dalawa sila Ito galing Croatia. Tita niya to, taga dito lang sa Netherlands pero sa Eindhoven nata yun. Ito si Kuya taga Denmark. Ito pinsan niya ata to dito rin.
Galing ng storage ng memory mo.
Tapos meron pa yan. Yan sila tita kanina nandun. Kumain kami, may dala silang food Ito taga Belgium, mag-asawa galing UK. Yan.
Ano natin sila?
Mix ba yan sila
yan.
Waray?
Hindi rin sila makapunta daw mamaya. Yun, nag-pray kami dyan kanina. Si tita yung nag-lead ng prayer. Tapos, mayroon pa yung mga taga France. Itong nakaway, tsaka ito family
na lang tayo kanina.
Ito kasama nila yung ganun din siya. Frances ata yan Yan, sila yung kaninang grupo. Tapos mayroon pa dito galing Davao. Nung una kong post. Kasabay ko sila mula Central Ako yung naging tour guide nila kasi hindi na alam kung saan ang papunta. May edad na kasi. Ito si tita, galing pa siyang Pinas. Davao.
Punta siya mamaya sa rally.
Sinabi ko meron pero hindi ko alam kung makapunta sila. Ito asawa ni tita yan sila. Taga dito sa Netherlands. Siya taga France.
Dami din pala.
Dami.
Agad, no?
Nagstay mga 15 minutes, 20 minutes. Yung iba kasi tinatawagan pa yung magulang nila. Kasi, tatawagan ko muna si mama kasi paborito niya si Pangulong Duterte, sabi niya. Tapos yung iba nagsiselfie pa dun sa stand, screenshot daw niya para may picture yung nanay niya.
Yung rin ako magagawas na ka. Makanaw nakabuo na maganda sa kanta ng Tagalog. Si Ma'am Dolce po yan. Siya po ay joke lang guys, joke lang. Kasama si Kitty yung jowa.
Minsan magkakala ang pangalan.
Hindi po natin alam, ma'am.
Ganun sa name, actually, it's very Filipino at the same time very Spanish.
Politician.
May taga Barcelona, ma'am.
Ilan kayo mo tando-tando na jogoron bahala na ko siya magtamo kay.
Okay po, ma'am.
Very colonized colonizer kayo na name, Alvin.
Ibig say, yun naman bisilingan nga puro sila bawa na gyud siguro tibaw na niya mama.
Kami puro agent mitanan
Kuno
sa family.
Alvin, Alan, Albert, kana mga ana na
Wala gid sama family ana, mitanan gang.
Tumubo na yung punong niyakap-yakap ni Bibi dati.
At saka itong sa mama para
No, really,
May flowers na siya.
last name man na.
Ako, 18 years ang ulay-uli.
Ay, unsa ka ni Kaz? Z man ka na. Ay,
Nakawawa mo yung puno.
makita no, sorry na. Murag magkabasher na jud guro no. Murag ako nang naramdaman.
Magkabasher di baka ka mag-vlogger, magkabasher.
Oo, kaya ko vlog no.
Ako nga, hindi naman ako vlogger talaga. May basher.
Hindi ako sa kutubag from day one.
Kahit hindi tayo vlogger, meron talagang basher.
Oo, basta supporter.
Silingan na ayaw sa atin. Kahit member sa family, may basher ka.
Ang importante mo ta kay Baw.
So dapat, kung para maging technical tayo ang basher, internal, within the family, direct or indirect, relatives, and then meron ding external. Yan
Say Alvin kay maglisod kog sabot. Okay, stress kay koron.
Translate ka. Mandarin.
Di ba, you'll never be everybody's cup.
Nandiyan ba kaya?
Ano mag-stress magaganahan as lang di mo biyang importante giganahan kasi imong self.
correct.
Lain sa kaayo
Dapat
ang
happy na
recruta.
sa imong self. Hindi na ka maganoon.
Gusto niyo ba mag-picture doon? Punta kayo, wag lang kayo lalapit
Actually,
doon
guys, kung alas 3 yung visit, baka ito na yun, baka alas 3 na.
Ay, nani po ka. Kasi, hindi late na 10 minutes.
Baka sila
Gi-order ni panamit ang
Walang laman. Walang laman.
Pag meron ng taxi,
Nakita ko pa yung walang laman.
order mo.
Driver lang.
magkano lang siya mag-back.
Kung pa daw.
Are you waiting for someone?
Excited ka.
No, I went to someone. Yeah, in the taxi.
No, we are just asking because we're also waiting for someone. From here?
Yeah, from here.
Thank you.
So that's why. No, we cannot also force them on the list.
Pero chicken ko dagang ulat sa
Kaya na si gang ina si attorney ka.
Miss, parang baka ito na daw yung
diretso
sunod.
sila Mulakaw ba?
Ha?
Baka diretso silang umuwi. Ikaw na lang mag-ask na.
Oo
Pwede
nga,
ba
oo nga, oo nga.
Kasi tingnan mo, nag-wait na eh.
Wait na.
Baka
Well,
ito-
ito po yung mukhang
Paalisin ko na
sasakyan
muna
ni-
siya.
Pero kung siya ang tanongin natin, di ba?
Tanungin natin yung pangalan.
Tanungin mo kay di bang ka ma-present yan?
Guys, anong gusto niyo pong ipatanong,
Bawal
guys?
siguro yun. Kailan binag-private
Malintok kaayo si ma'am.
Ikaw may idea.
So mas mahal mo yun siya kaysa sa akin. Siya na nga nasa...
Hindi ako lang tanong.
Dati na magtanong. Magyo mo na po.
Okay. So anyway, si ma'am, ano pong name niyo? Hindi ko pa kayo
Lara po.
nakakausap. Lara.
Hala na sa
Kanina pa kayo nandito,
Oo,
no?
mga 10:30.
10:30 at now it's already yung lang. Yan na. Titignan po natin kung meron lalabas. Wala naman pong lalabas. Wala siya, wala naman po. Hindi naman po, ano. Ang inaabangan lang po natin ngayon is si DP sa Veronica.
Ako pa na emergency, so kuan ra relax lang ano? Ana pa sa pagana. Sorry, may ilahan pa may ilahan na basta emergency.
Basta may
Magbasa ko ano yung ignorante ko na bahala ni maangko na lang po ko para walis o na ilalis.
Is it Filipino? You're waiting for Filipino? Ah, okay.
Confirm.
Confirm na good ka. Wala. Uy! Ay, sorry. Si attorney rin itong pakwan. Siya pasabihin natin ka.
wala akong alam dyan sa ano.
Title yun si Andre.
Uy, naninood na. Uy, lukat na bira itaw ninyo ako.
Sana maka-update po tayo kay tatay today, guys.
Sana nag-ibig sa magpapakwan. Emergency good go.
Yung bag mo, kailangan mo na.
Ano mo magdugay diri?
Kaya kanina yung mga naunang nag-visit, sila Ate Joy, galing dyan kanina from UK, tsaka yung kasama niya from Belgium. Nag-offer na po kami ng prayers kasi hindi rin sila makaka-attend kasi pabalik na rin sila mamayang alas.
If you don't mind, ano po?
Merong agree kasi Ate Dulce.
Ayaw kaya nag-loading ko rin yung mga butang mga papunta kong adlaw.
Kung na Dulce, napoy Vita. Dulce Vita.
Masipya tag tumingin na tagbugo na
Dito
usaw.
siya payunan ka ng ID card daan sa kanang driver pa para kung ata siya magdadaan doon sa driver.
Upload na ko to ha.
Makapis ko na abang na ko ninyong video ko. Ako bantay sa mong kamera.
Grabe makatutok si Miss Kwan si Sir.
Are you okay? Good? You have water?
As long as the
Ikaw na di ka extra water din.
Pag sinabi niya sa'yo, yes please, may bigay ka ba dyan?
Wala nga.
Yung muingog yung pag sabi niya ano ko ay ano ba yan? I'm thirsty.
Madugulo na kasi hindi ka makadung.
Dusseldorf, mga 4 to 5 hours po by bus. Tapos from Dusseldorf, Germany na.
Hulat was the best selling? I mean, speak now. Hulat ko miya mutyehalan? No, 3 year.
Fear or dreer?
3 year.
Tukana ilagay mo.
Siyempre,
Look kay mo kay istorya kita ko number. Mag-vlogger dili ba sa pangli ng mga gi.
Ako lang sa pangutanon kung kanang kung yung idea about KPRRT. Ano ko?
Sa mga taong ko iba.
Kabalo dito.
Ano paraan si Alvin ba?
Ano yung kutan na lagay ko.
naman namin makita.
Mo nagseryoso biya ko ang adlaw talam sa binimita mo
Si
nang no.
Ate sa isang
Yung alam lang namin na dito kami sa labas.
Indian.
Indian ba yan?
Dili na.
Nagbuhat nimo
Mga kuan na
sige
sila,
ko
mga-
hindi. Tura gipabot
Yung
Yung
mga
beauty.
kanina di, siyempre,
Dapat kayo mo kasi yung
Sino si Neuro? Bende sila.
Hanap na siya. Nakahanap na.
Kasi hindi sabihan mo akin.
Ay, wow.
No, we just want to look at you because you're very good with your beard.
Are you?
Wow, Alvin, wow.
Nagkakuan na gid si Alvin ba nakapagawas na gid yung gibati ba.
Kung appreciate mo good beauty just like myself. No, if I see somebody beautiful or handsome, I always say.
Nasuka na katuba mo, di ba mo gaina ni tsuraan mo.
ako po wala po.
Salbayis man is Alvin ka man laki ro may
Hello,
hingon
wala siya nakakaya. Doon lang.
Turkish pa na yung bana yung tahon.
Kila ko ikaw na may kulang dito sa kuan. Complete na inyo ang group.
Para mamyan gabi. Ako na dali.
Magguba gani kog dahon rin ka bayatan sa boyot. Ikaw may kasalanan yan sa kay.
Asa na si
Kasi
Hardy?
hindi ko na mauurong yung ano ko.
Ato ka sa do, it's a nice.
Yan, kabaw kaya pangutan nito siya. Kung pwede ba ka mag-CR yan, may bawa ay ikaw din na.
Mas late yung dating ko sa ano, mali.
Sa work.
Ah,
Hindi ko
hello mga kababayan.
Salamat.
Oo, sige po.
Thank you. Thank you.
Luluko, lumi kisinugoon nito conversation. Oh.
Dynamics. Ipa-interview na ni Atty.
Hi. Wala. Wala.
Hello, ma'am. Hello.
Hello.
Welcome po.
Ano?
Ha?
Kamukha niya yung artist.
Ito pa kayo. Makaka-artista.
Kamukha niya yung
Si Hardy.
Ganang siya sa book ni Hardy. Tanaw na niyo. Tanaw siya.
Heart yung buhok mo, heart. Ang bigat, nampamugas naman ang inyo ha, oy.
Ay, nginungan.
Yes, ma'am.
Ay, ayun na. Ayun na, Kitty Gang. Nalagyan si Kitty. Si Kitty Good Gang. Si Kitty Good Gang.
Ito daw po si Kitty, guys.
Si Kitty Good, guys. Si Kitty Good, sir. Ayan na si Kitty, guys.
Oh, Kitty. Guys, ang
Welcome back to the Netherlands.
Hi.
Can we
How's
wait?
tatay?
Healthier than I expected.
Healthier than you expected.
Healthier than I expected.
Oh. Kit, can we interview you for a bit?
Sige, okay, I won't be entertaining long interviews.
Yes, oo. Kanang
Just
Para
quickly lang.
isahan na lang. He's healthier than I expected and he's doing well. He was very cheerful to see me and
Of course.
ayun, as usual, he sends his warm regards to everyone, to the supporters for, of course, the unwavering love and support.
yes.
And for the family, sends his love, his pure love to everyone.
Kit, meron ba siyang kanang did you hear about the situation that he was rushed to the hospital?
Yes, but he is okay. It's just the, his routine checkups.
Routine.
Okay, I see. Thank you for clarification.
As you all know, he is old and not exactly in the best shape, but he's okay actually. I expected him to be more frail, but he's not. He's doing well. He's even better as compared to the first few weeks inside.
Okay.
He sounded more lively, more sharp, and ayun.
How did he feel that he didn't have any family visits for 2 weeks?
He was looking for my mother for so many times, and I had to explain to him the situation, and he understood, of course. But ayun, he was constantly reminding me to, do something about it. And I reassured him that we're doing our best. But as of now, I'll be the one who will be visiting him inside. Yes.
We're having a prayer rally for Tatay Digong tonight. I hope you can join us.
Yes, I will.
Yeah.
Ano lang kasi I'm busy with my studies also. So let me just finish everything and I will be there tonight. I cannot promise that I'll be early, but I will try, of course, to pass by. Yes.
Kit, last question lang talaga. What's the biggest difference from the last time you visited him and right now?
I'll be honest with you, not much. I was so worried when I was in the Philippines. I was so worried that when I've been asking my siblings and the lawyers, can you tell me what to expect? Should I expect a thinner dada, a thinner papa? They kept reassuring me na he's doing good, there's no difference. And when I saw him inside, ayun nga, they were right. The only difference is he now has a long beard. It's color white. And he does have white colored eyebrows now. And ayun, but his hair, ayun, maarte kasi yun. So, meron siyang siguro weekly hair dye. So, ayun pa rin. Hindi na siya pure black, may pagka-blonde siya. So,
Dutch na siya.
Kit, also last question. Importante kasi ito kasi this is a very big victory for the entire Filipino people. Alam niya ba na nanalo with respect sa Supreme Court?
Yes, and he's very happy about it. He sends his regards to my sister and he told her that he is extremely proud of her.
They didn't know that it was a unanimous Supreme Court decision.
Yes, he knows about all of that. And he also knows na, ayun, continuous pa rin yung rotation of visits namin dito, pupunta sila. So, I'm excited siya kasi,
You're here.
You're here, exactly.
Ako muna, of course, for now. And,
you look so beautiful, Kitty, actually.
I'm sorry, guys, you really have to go.
One more question, very last lang, Kitty. What was the first question na tinanong niya sa'yo when he saw you, sorry?
Actually, it wasn't a question. He said, ang laki ko na daw. In a way na lumapad ako, but I think he
grew taller.
He thinks that I'm taller now. Maybe it's because of the, the slippers I'm wearing, but kasi he was wearing flat slippers, so I think this added to my height. But ayun, he was surprised to see me. Sobrang tangkad ko na almost his height. Kasi ako yung pinakamaliit sa amin. But he was happy to see na I was growing. I mean, I'm not growing anymore, but that's
he
what
knows
he
you're here 4 times a week for him.
Yes.
Kitty, welcome back to the Netherlands.
Thank
It's good
you
to
so
see you.
much.
And see you later, ha?
Yes, thank you.
Mabuhay ka, Kitty.
Bye. Salamat.
Bye, Kitty.
Regards kung papa ni ina.
Yes, ma'am.
Regards si Dulce, ha?
Ako ang ina na gwapa kay Katerina.
Ayun, si Dulce, that's Dulce.
Oh, lagi. Ako ang ingnan, ma'am.
Thank you.
Ay, umuwi man, te.
Ikaw, video na sa kunay mo.